Welcome to EasyCare. In our basic part modeling tutorial, you learn a sketch, rectangle, line, SP line, circle, ellipse, etc. and some portion of the features like extrude, revolve and axis pattern. In this tutorial, you learn a extrude features in details. There are different features in the Creo: the extrude, revolve, sweep, helical sweep, sweep blend, blend and rotational blend. In this tutorial, I am explaining extrude features in details. So select extrude features, select one plane and I am drawing a center rectangle. Given is dimension 200. Okay. Standard orientation and given 50. Okay. Now select this surface and extrude. Take a reference from here, 2 or 3 as reference. Now I am drawing a corner rectangle. Its height is a 50 or 40 as what is, and 30. Okay. Now here you can see different option. By here clicking, flip the direction, or by clicking on these arrows, flip the direction of the extrude. Now this is first option is a blind. In blind option you can give a length from this surface to how many extruded, if 60, 80, whatever you require. In symmetric option you can extrude this in by symmetric in both direction of this surface. You can see easily both direction extruded, called symmetric extrude. And this is last option is a selected plane or surface. So I am clicking on this option and select this surface. So this extrude is a up to this surface and OK. Now select round and give to it this surface. This is by and equal dimension is given 15. OK. Now I am explain other option by drawing a one circle in this surface. So select this surface, extrude, take a reference of and draw a one circle. (70) dimension from here 25 and it is also 25 diameter and OK. Now I am explain all these whole option. This is the remove material. I am click on remove material and flip the direction, then it is remove the material and extrude what is the position you require. This is the blind option. In blind option you give a dimension as per your requirement. Second is symmetric. I am explain earlier, same both direction. This is the up to next surface, select this, and this is extruded up to next surface. You can see easily this is up to this surface, or remove, yeah, then up to remove this surface. This is the through all. So in by through all the surface between remove material, and okay, then you can see material added. And this is the up to surface or selected surface. So I am select this surface, so extrude up to this surface. If I am selected this, so up to this surface, and same this option, but in this option I am selected any point, curve, plane and surface. I am selected this middle plane and remove material. They can you easily see extruded up to remove material up to this plane. Now in remove material there are thicken option. So I am select thicken and given here thicken 2 mm. Then you can see remove material in the circle inside. There are three options: outside, inside and both side. This is the both side option, outside and inside. Remove material. So in you can see this is the sheet 2 mm material remove. This is the extrude features in Creo. Thank you for, I hope like our tutorial. For more tutorials subscribe our channel. Thank you.